Using the birth ball during labor can be very helpful. You can go from side to side, using really big motions, or if it feels better, you can use side to side in small motions, using rhythm to stay comfortable. You can also go front and back, or in big circles. Practicing before labor can be very helpful. Use your time while you're watching TV to sit on your ball and get a good feel for what you like and what is comfortable for you. For more information on our birth and postpartum doula services, take a look at our website at helpinghandsdoula.com. We can't wait to meet you.